If this piece went straight over there with no hump, you were dead. We would have had to redo the motor mounts, cut the K-member, all kind of shit. This is what saved us, this shape right here. Shoot. That saved us. Something else that's going on, these 73 convertible, these are brand new off the press billet hood hinges for the 71 through 75, 76 Caprice Classic, the Impalas, more known as Donks. It's a pretty nice piece. They're gas. The benefit of using these, they have a gas shock over the spring that we had back in the 70s when this car was made. And most, all newer cars have gas shocks, and the reason why is just smooth operation. The hoods back in the day was a lot heavier than the hoods now, so an older car is gonna benefit more, just with the ease of the hood. Sometimes when hood hinges go out on cars like these, for the owners that know these cars, it'll actually bend the back of your hood if you had a bad hood. So you could damage your hood by having a bad hood hinge. So these hood hinges they're real sleek, nice made, and it's new. They just started making them recently for this car. So yeah, you're gonna see as we put them together. Could you show right now? Yeah. He's still struggling. So what it is, I just need my blue ribbon for first place, body by me. We're done. Yeah, what it is, those are lock pins. I guess once you take them out, they lock in.
No, but why this is like longer,
we just gotta once you go down with it, it'll bring it out. That's shortening it, so we got to go up with it to it.
Okay. No, a little more.
A little more down?
Yeah, a little more down.
See, now he instructing me, y'all see that? That shit work?
Okay.
So those pins we don't even need. That's what was
No, we need them here, look. Okay, I got
it.
I got it.
Too late.
I got it.
But I got both of mine. I got both of mine red. Could you show him still putting the other one on it so the people know that, he got it. But, how my homeboy say, but he still got one more to do.
I got it. That's it.
Okay. So, we got a first place ribbon and we have a second place ribbon.
But my question is now, is this Victor, this part
to the back?
Okay, to the back.
Yeah, because that's you're on the right side.
Let me see here, Victor. Here, right?
Come down.
Oh, yeah, right there.
When you paint them off the car, you have an opportunity to get paint right into the crevices of the threads. So, that's just that little bit of, couple mil thick. You got to just kind of clean out that thread. So right now we're going to have a smooth transition in the camera. It's going to be a 3, 2, 1, snap your thread. Once it kind of got past that paint, it kind of just smoothed out. But it's flush, it's level here. So I'm pretty sure when you put the hood on, everything should line up. But you got adjustments right here. It is at its lowest point. Yeah. So this back, you can kick down if need be.
Go down.
Yeah.
Go up. Go down. Okay. Go up. Go down. Go up.
Now we got to go higher. Okay. In the back for you to get on your side of position. Yeah, we got to go up. You got to get the back.
Yeah.
We gotta loosen these, we gotta loosen those, and push it over. Cause see here, you got a 1/4 inch. We
Yeah.
need to split the difference. We need a 16th of this. You got 2/8 right here. We need an eighth
So
of
we
this
have to
over
move.
there.
Yeah, we have to move it that way.
Correct. So we loosen these up.
Yeah, like this we have the adjustment. You know?
Right, and then the crates, see what it was, I put these on first and tighten them down.
Did you lose this one?
Yeah, both of them look, I think it's probably got how we can get.
Let me see. Okay.
That bottom one.
Yeah, the bottom one, yeah.
Don't push on this, push on the hook, yeah. Right, there we go. But you see how smooth those here? See what, I'm gonna tell you where the flex coming in at. I'm telling you, bro, right
Because
now. No, right there. If that bolt was in there, it wouldn't be moving like that.
Yeah, yeah.
But we just ain't put that one in because we gotta shim it off, and we really was just test fitting the blower. You know what I'm saying? Like,
So we can lift this up, Victor, right?
yeah.
We can lift it up.
That's it.
That's it.
That's it.
There we go.
That's it.
Okay.
Now what we got is, now we know that we got the clearance, ain't that gonna touch. Now we got to fine tune. We got to fine tune bolting the fenders in, you know, shimming them off. Now we need to, we already figured out the front end. We got the, we got to get the rubber bushings off of those bolts and we cooking, because then we can shim up the front how high we want it. Man, it's monkey nuts from here on out. It's a proud moment, man. You know, this car didn't come to us like this. And look at it.